During consultations, many people will say that, okay, I have such bad placements in my chart that I don't think I can ever do anything good. And they are very mentally frustrated, they are depressed, they're anxious, and they feel like something is wrong with their chart. And sometimes they go to some astrologers and they tell them that, okay, your sun is really weak, your Mars is really weak, so you are unable to do these things because of these particular placement. And this is not the correct way in which we can deal with astrology, because when we deal with one planet, sun, suppose, just for example, I'm giving you example of sun. So sun is one planet, and sun is capable of giving you some things, which is for sure. If you want strong character, sun can give you. If you want domination in world, sun can give you. If you want authority in world, sun can give you. If you want to lead with confidence, sun can give you. But if somebody has told you that no, your sun is bad, so you will subconsciously feel that, okay, my sun is bad. But you will forget one thing, that sun has capability of giving you that thing. You have just not unlocked that particular door. So if you consciously tell yourself that no, my sun is good, and right now it is not giving me those results, but if I take myself to that particular position or that particular alignment, my sun will open the doors for those things that I want in my life. That is the correct way of looking at astrology. And you can move from your current alignment, from your current frequency to a higher frequency if you want to activate those particular things about your sun. And this is all the game in astrology. So right now, if your time is not strong, we can say that, okay, you can do few things about your sun, and those things will help you to get your alignment with your sun, higher state of your sun, so you can connect with that. So I hope you will understand that never believe that some of your positions are extremely bad, or some of your positions are so bad that you can never get those qualities that you want in your life. So if you are able to change some things inside yourself, many things outside yourself will change automatically. And we can open some doors of our planet at any moment if we decide to do so.